Hello, boys and girls in the YouTube world and the Closet Case world. It's Perry, and it's not Tuesday. And I'm sorry for not making a movie yesterday. There was a bit of miscommunication, and so I'm making it today. And yeah, it's a great day. It's really sunny outside. Lots of frickin' snow everywhere. It's like a winter wonderland. Except driving really sucks. But anyways, this week's topic is about passing the gay marriage bill in Washington, and it has enough votes to pass it, which is so exciting. And I may not be American, but I'm Canadian, and I'm so happy that it's being passed. Because day by day it goes by that the bill is passing through different states of America. It's really exciting, and I'm really glad that there's becoming changes and that they're trying to pass the bills for each state. So that means that gay marriage can be legal through all of the states and not just like one or two or three of them. And it's finalized, it's not like hovering in the air that all these other states have to do it. So, yeah, it's pretty exciting. I don't know what else to say, but it passes the bill, passes the measure, so it's pretty exciting for sure. Because in Canada, we don't have many provinces, is what we call it, having troubles with passing gay marriage and having to worry about the votes and stuff. It's just the way that our capital up here and our government works. Every province is legal to have marriage happen, and we don't need to worry about having enough rights or enough votes to pass any sort of bill. Our government's very open, and they have no troubles with welcoming in marriages of any sort. So it's pretty good, and I don't think there's ever been a problem with Canada and gay marriages. So it's pretty exciting. That's what is so different about America and Canada. Is just that it's that the Americans have to worry about passing bills and that kind of thing, and we don't up here. So it's pretty exciting. And that was our topic this week, just kind of touching on it, and we read an article about it, so we're just kind of summarizing the article, and I like it. It's good news to hear for sure, and I'm happy for all the Americans that want to get married, and now they can. And other news, Ben is going to be taking a little break, a little holiday, I guess, from the channel till summer. He just has a lot going on, and that's understandable. So he'll be back in the summer, and on the odd occasion he may be making a few videos for us if we need it. Just kind of like a sub, but anyways, we're just throwing that out there to let you guys know, a little heads up. And hope you guys are all well, and if you have any questions or comments, I'll leave the links below in the box. And also you guys can message us personally on our other channels, but I'll leave my personal little thingies on the bottom there, and you can click them and come find me and be like, hey, I need to talk to you about something, and I'll be like, okay, here we go. Let's discuss it. Alright, so hopefully you guys have a good rest of your week, and I'll see you next Tuesday, and I will be here on Tuesday. Don't worry, there won't be any miscommunication, because that seems to happen with my brain nowadays. It's like, whoa! Too much overload information going on, and it's like, I can't deal with that. So, I'll see you guys next Tuesday.